The Bud Industries XR2 45 two-post rack is designed with the customer in mind. Unlike most two-post racks, it comes complete in one lightweight carton and can be assembled in about 30 minutes. Here are some key features. The rack's carton is a small 30 by 6 by 6 inches and weighs less than 30 pounds for easy shipping and storage. Made of sturdy 18-gauge galvanneal steel, each unit can be built to either 30U or 45U panel height. It accepts 260 pounds of distributed weight with a maximum depth of 26 inches. Its durable black powder coat finish makes it ideal for both lab and office settings. The unique design builds in extensive cable management for a smooth installation process. It assembles in about 30 minutes using simple tools. All 19-inch rack mount accessories and equipment can be used, including shelves, power strips, and rack mount chassis. The XR2 is in stock at your favorite Bud distributor today. For more details, check out our website at www.budin.com, where you can also chat with us or call us at 440-946-3200. Thank you.